Okay, let's draw the head. Now you may be tempted to draw one of the faces that are over here. It's a little bit harder to draw that because it's lower resolution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to follow along with the one in the center. I think it's a little bit easier to see what we need to do. So I am going to use the pen tool, and we're going to do the entire outline of the face first, and then we'll go in and add the chin and the little area of the ears. So let's start by changing our fill to be a stroke. And again, you may want to use something like a hot pink outline so you can see better. I'm going to start right at the crease of the ear and the hair. So we're going to click and drag along, using as few points as possible. So just follow along. Whoops. The outside, if you mess up, you can just go back to a point that your last point and click. And you'll notice again, I'm using as few points as possible. And if you want to refer back to some images that I shared in the week 2 discussion, you can see the amount of points used in the artwork that I shared. And you'll see I'm also just going up into where the hair is going to be. So make sure you end the path, go back to the black arrow key, then either use the pen or the pencil or the curvature tool. I'll use the curvature tool for this. And I'm just going to click, add a little smidge of a curve right there. Again, 2 points, click in the center, little smidge of a curve. And 2 points, click in the center and drag down, little smidge of a curve, and done. I am going to grab these 3 pieces first and fill them in. Whoops, making sure that they fill the stroke, not the fill. And click on the face. And again, this is where you could just eyedrop down to the skin type or choose your own, or just click here. And done.